2026. It's getting intense here at the Mall of Asia Arena because we are now down to one of the most defining moments of the competition. I have with me here the official results selecting our top 7 finalists. I know. These have been tabulated by Sysprotech and independently validated by Tax Services Incorporated. Now, in just a few seconds, we will reveal the top 7 finalists, the women who will move forward to the final question round. All right, Mo Arena, dim the lights, here we go! Watch closely because in this moment, everything changes. Starting with one Filipina who stood out with her impact and presence. The Pina Beauty Award winner who topped the category through challenges and highest number of public votes. Our Miss Pina Beauty and first to enter the finals is Miss Sultan Kudarat. Congratulations, Sultan Kudarat. And now, the other 6 delegates, guided by the voices of our judges. Your journey continues. Miss La Union! Still in the running is Miss Cebu City! You are one step closer to the crown, Miss Marna! All right, 3 more spots. You're not done just yet, Miss Taki! Claiming her place in the top 7, Miss Cebu Province! Stand on here at the Mo Arena, completing our top 7 finalists. Shantay Yusef, Miss it, 7 remarkable Filipinas, each one closer to the crown than ever before. But only one will be crowned tonight. Again, congratulations to our top 7 finalists. But we are not stopping just yet. Ladies, please take your places because it's time for the final question round. Alright, from this point on, every word matters. This is not just about how